Today, I'm going to share with you tips and tricks on how to make amala without lumps. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Start by adding some water into the pan, cover it and allow to boil. The amount of water you add depends on the amount of amala you are making, alright? While that is boiling, we'll go ahead and sieve our elubo. Elubo is basically yam flour that is used to make amala, alright? Reason why for sieving it is that when you buy it in the market, it comes with particles. Even if you buy it in the store, it comes with particles. I buy this one in an African store, and as you guys can see, it comes with a whole lot of particles. People that sell yam flour, elubo, they don't save it, alright? They basically grind it and then tie it in the nylon and then sell it, alright? You are the one that is going to bring it home and come and do the sieving by yourself, if that makes sense. I'm going to set the yam flour aside and go ahead and check on the water. The water is already boiling. I take some of the water out and set it aside. I reduce the heat to the lowest to prevent lumps, and I go ahead and add some cold water to it as well, just to prevent lumps. Add the elubo gradually. Do not add it at once, alright? Once you add the elubo, you started stirring it immediately. As you are stirring the amala, if you notice that it's not forming a dough very well, that is when you are going to go ahead and add more powder to it. But if it is forming a dough, there is no need to add powder, alright? If it's forming a dough, all you need to do is fold it together and bring it to the side of the pot. And you are going to continue to repeat that process until you achieve a smooth dough consistency. Once you achieve a smooth dough consistency, all you need to do is remove your spatula and then scrape the spatula, scrape the side of the pot, the hot water that you take out earlier, add some of it to the amala. Just go ahead and cover the pot and allow to cook for about a minute or so. Once it's cooked for about a minute or two, come back, open it, and then you use the same spatula to break the amala into small ball. You guys know that the amala is in a big form ball before. We are going to go ahead and break it into a small ball, and all you need to do again is you are going to cover the pot again and allow to cook until all the water almost dries out. As you guys can see, the water is almost dries out, right? All you need to do is go ahead and continue to stir the amala, fold it together and bring it to the side of the pot, and it took about 4 minutes before all the water is almost dries out. If you stir everything really well and you notice that it is not soft to your liking, all you need to do again is add some water to it, cover it back and allow to cook for about a minute or so, and then you come back, you keep stirring it until you achieve a very fluffy, smooth, silky consistency, alright? When you go to amala spot to go and eat amala, you notice that the amala is very smooth and silky and soft, right? All they do is bringing it to the side of the pot as I'm doing now. At the comfort of your home, you can achieve that. Just bring the amala to the side of the pot very, very well, and you achieve that smooth, silky consistency, alright? All that is remaining now is go ahead, serve it and enjoy with any soup of your choice, with ogbono, with okra, whatever soup you want. Just go ahead, serve it and enjoy. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.